what time is it? It's 9:23. We're just gonna talk into the mirror so you can see me because I'm recording on my phone right now. So let's have a little chat. Let's have a meeting. Let's have a morning meeting. All right, we've made it to the couch. I have so much going on. I have probably 4 projects due this weekend. I still have to film a video and everything in my life is blowing up. So I thought I would take you guys through a day in the life again of just being an RD student and everything that I have to get done on top of having very high functioning anxiety. It's just something I suffer from. So I think what I'm gonna do is just take you throughout my day and show you some things that I'm gonna do and get done while I feel like my life is falling apart. Am I dramatic? Yes, but I just have to keep laughing or else I will literally cry with the amount of stuff that I have to do. I just got dressed. I wanna take a walk. I hit 6K steps yesterday. I'm also going on a health journey. We're back to the mirror because I need to get my shoes on, but I'm not feeling my best. I'm not looking my best. I don't feel great, to be honest with you. My stress, I think I've been, I've just been stressed, and that really affects my hormones, and that then really affects my weight. So I've just been feeling very, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna start my morning going for a walk. I got 6,000 steps yesterday. My goal for this week is to just hit 5K steps every day. Normally I would clean up the disaster behind me, but I'm just gonna show you my gym outfit for the day. It's this top from Tilly's that I wear all the time, the Def Leppard one. And then these are Old Navy jeans. These are Old Navy leggings. They're super comfortable and they just kind of suck me in, which feels nice when I'm feeling like extra bloated. And these shoes I've had for forever. I think they're Saucony. I just like that they're neutral and they are so comfortable for flat feet. If you're flat-footed, check these out. I'll see if I can link them. I don't even know if they still make them because I genuinely don't know when I got them. Best fashion blogger ever. And I'm not even really a fashion blogger. I just like to do fashion hauls. Because I was thinking about this. I was like, the people at school who watch my videos probably think I'm such a liar because I come to class wearing the same thing every day. I wear leggings and then some sort of top. They're probably like, fashion who? It's so funny to think about. But it's Florida, it's hot, and I'm chunky. I literally cannot deal with my thighs rubbing together in a cute dress. That's the fact about that. All right, trying to keep it high energy, and we're gonna have a great hot girl fall walk. So I just went to grab my AirPods, and they are completely dead. So in an effort to be productive and not let that defeat me, I'm going to empty out my dishwasher, and then it'll be empty for when we come back. I can just throw a load in and feel a little bit more productive and kind of break it up. Something about having to put dishes away and then fill the dishwasher doesn't sit right with me. I don't have the attention span, so I'm just gonna put all of this away and we will thrive eventually. Nick never puts things away where I put them away, so whenever I put dishes away, I have to do damage control. I took away our knife block. I just felt like it was one more thing that was on our counter. Kind of digging not having it in here. I just put all of our knives here in the silverware drawer. We're almost done, friends. These are my favorite spoons, the sweet tea spoons. I will not use another spoon. I get them from IKEA. The last job, replenishing my straws. Here's what we got accomplished this morning. Very nice. I'm sweaty already from that walk. I should have looked at my watch. I almost hit 15 minutes. I had to pause it in the middle because I randomly decided to get my mail and then I forgot to pause it at the mail center, but I paused it when I went back in my house. So I didn't really realize you could pause your workouts, which is great. So now I know. But I already have a coffee made. I think I'm gonna make some breakfast. I'm starving and I have minimal groceries here because it's the end of the week. So I do need to make a grocery order. our breakfast for the day. I know it is a little sad looking. We don't have that much color and variety, but I was running out of everything. I used up the last bagel, the cream cheese, and I used the last banana. So we're working with what we got today, but it's still delish. I got a little banana. These are the Dave's Killer Everything bagels. They're whole wheat, and then I have some whipped cream cheese on top with some everything bagel seasoning, and then that is an Eggland's Best omelet. It just has a little bit of cheese in it for some protein. If you notice my nails, I took the white off and I need to get them done still. I just put a little gel coat on top of them, but yeah, if you see them looking a mess, they are. I just need to get them done, but we don't have time for that today. I need to eat this, and then we are going to move on to our next activity, trying to be the best 27-year-old woman that I can be today. It's hard. Breakfast is over and I need to start an assignment, but I got these lists on Amazon. This is a daily list and this is a weekly list. Now, when I'm having really anxious periods, sometimes, by period I just mean like period of my life, sometimes it's hard to write everything down that I need to do because then I can't get it all done. However, I have a lot of deadlines this weekend. I have a lot of things that need to be turned in and I don't want to forget anything. So I'm gonna write down the stuff that I have a deadline for, like an absolute deadline. And then I'll write down the things that I want to get done just so I have it. The only thing that I'm really prioritizing today is my step count. That has been suffering because I've been kind of going through it lately. As you guys know, it comes in waves. Like there's weeks where school isn't super intense, family life is great, I'm exercising, and then there's weeks where it feels like everything's falling apart and it's really hard to like keep on going. I just want to keep myself together. I did have a little bit of moment a little bit ago. I was not feeling my best. I'm gonna try to recenter, write down the things that I need to get done, and then we will go from there. Here's a little recap of what I written. So I need to do my article for the organization that I write for, NutriNews. I have a paper that I'm gonna be doing right when we're done going over this. Then I have a very, very long lecture for medical nutrition therapy. It's all on pharmacology, so it's a hard one, it's an intense one. It's about like an hour and 10 minutes, and I need to do the quiz for it. And then I need to read chapter 11, which is on pharmacology. This is the start of my list for today. I didn't write any of the cleaning stuff because I was getting overwhelmed as I was doing this. Now let's do this reflection paper. I just finished my first paper of the day, so that is exciting. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that in now. And then I think I'm going to work on the kitchen just a teeny bit. I think I'm gonna do the dishes because that needs to get done because it's stressing me out. All right, reflection paper 3, turning that in. And she is submitted. So now we can go do some lovely dishes together. Y'all are leaning on a pumpkin right now. I really don't think you guys want to watch me do my dishes, but they have to get done, so let's do them. I'll speed this up. It'll be so quick for you. Oh, I got this pan for Nick for Christmas. It's the Le Creuset brand, like the really nice brand. He wanted a grill pan, so I got him this one and he's so excited. I figured I would just give it to him early because life is short and he's been wanting to grill. So I'm still gonna wrap the box for him. All right, I still have more dishes to put in the dishwasher, but I'm gonna stop for now because this is getting full. And then we'll just do one more batch later on as another activity, if we have the mental capacity to do so. So I can feel myself getting a little bit mentally and physically fatigued right now, just thinking about all the work I have to do. So we're gonna shift gears, talk about something fun for a second before I jump back in it. I got some new curtains from IKEA. These are the Lendas. I got 3 packs, and the plan is to put this all along the wall of my bedroom. I want it to go across this wall in my bedroom to cover up these mirrors when I am filming. I think that'll look really nice and make it look a little bit better and more put together. Since we're still waiting on our furniture, I think that is a good thing to put up to kind of make everything start to feel a little bit more like home, if you know what I mean. Right now, it just feels like we have random furniture in our room and it's not really cohesive in here yet, but it'll get there. Other fun developments, so random. I got a pasta machine. I figured if I was gonna eat pasta, I should just make it myself. And it will take energy to make the pasta, which is a plus, and it'll be fun and an activity. So I got that to do. not anytime soon. But then let's open a package together. I just got one in the mail. Oh, okay. So this is the Tata Harper Resurfacing Mask that I picked up to try. So we'll see how that is. It smells good. They have like a signature scent. So this came in. We're gonna put this in the try bin. It is now 3:30 and I still have so much left to do in my day. I don't know how I'm gonna get it all done, but we need to keep pushing on. So I'm making some lunch. Let me show you. I cut up a couple chicken breasts, so I have some leftovers, but they're in some olive oil right now. And then I have some organic jasmine rice and some canned green beans. So this is gonna be my lunch. I might not put a sauce on it. I honestly might just eat it plain because of how my stomach is feeling. So I thought the plain rice would be good and the green beans. Simple, fiber, good for you. Hello friends, it is now 5:11. A lot has happened. I'll show you my little list we've been working on. I finished watching the lecture finally, and then I did a quiz for that entire lecture. And then I read a lot of chapter 11, so I still need to finish that. And then I need to write my NutriNews article and submit my pictures. I only have like 3 pages left of the text, 3 to 4. But again, I'm starting to feel a little bit anxious. I was reading a lot of material and I'm very proud of myself today for recognizing when my anxiety levels are getting high and when I need to reel it in. Since my goal today too is to get 5,000 steps, I think I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning around my house to get some steps in to try to get me to 4K. I'm at 3,375, which is pretty low, but I've been studying. And I think that will make me feel better about my space in general. And I'll also get some steps so I'll feel better and my legs are sore yesterday from my workout that I did. So it's good to keep moving today. I just wanted to update you guys. If any of you have anxiety, it's definitely good to start recognizing when you're doing a task, when it's giving you anxiety, because you can always come back to the task. Stepping away from it doesn't mean you're quitting or giving up. It just means you need a second to like reframe your thoughts. You need to come back with a refreshed mind, and it is a-okay to do. So proud of myself for that today. I'm finally caught up on dishes, which is super, super exciting. And I can finally scrub out my sink. It always feels so good when I'm having kind of like a bad anxiety week or whatever's going on, and I can actually get to all the dishes, which I don't know if I mentioned this, but the boys are away right now. Buddy is at Nan's house and Nick is in Orlando for some business meetings that he has with his clients. I'm really liking how my hair is waving right now. That's actually really pretty. I think that like water I showed you guys from L'Oreal, I'll link it down below. It is so good. And it literally is like a treatment you can do whenever you take a shower, and it works so friggin' fast. I'm sure if you have really thin hair or super, super oily hair, you're not gonna need it. But for us dried hair girls, or if your hair is super frizzy, try it out because it's definitely helped with my frizz. It's not like I'm frizz free or anything. It's definitely good. Look at my sudsy sink. Look how beautiful that is. Now I'm gonna wash it. I washed my blankets while I was doing other work, and I finally am getting back to them. But I started a case study I have due on a woman with anemia, and I'm getting a little bit confused. So I need to take a break and figure out what to do. I was just quickly doing some laundry, and then I'm gonna start on my NutriNews article. So I'll show you what the article is about after I've written it. Here is my case study I'm doing. So this is all of the patient information. And then here's her labs, and identified her cholesterol was high. And then I noticed all of her blood counts were low, like her hemoglobin, hematocrit, mean corpuscular volume, blah, blah, blah. So then I had to figure out like her weight status, her admission medications, and drug interactions. So now I'm just having a problem with my PES statement. This is the nutrition diagnosis, because I know that she has altered nutrition related laboratory values, and I know what those values are, but it's like, how do I know why she has anemia? We don't talk about that up here. So I'm really confused. I don't know how to proceed with the rest. So this is what I'm taking a break from to do my article. I have our robot vacuuming, so I feel more productive. I have it on the mop mode right now, so it's like not going on the carpet. I don't know if you can see that it's shiny behind it, but it's mopping. There's a little attachment in the back. Well, it's 8 o'clock and I'm almost done with my article. I just have to write an introduction. And kind of refine everything that I've written in the article. And I think I'm gonna need a source for my introduction, but I'm gonna eat some dinner first. This is exactly what I had for lunch. It's the grilled chicken, green beans, and white rice, and I put some teriyaki, the coconut aminos one, and some soy sauce. So I'm gonna eat this, enjoy it, and then I'm gonna go back to working on this bad boy. I just finished my article. It took me a while for some reason. I finished it at 8:33. My computer screen is so dirty. I'm gonna have Nick clean it. He's really good at cleaning technology, so please excuse my screen right here. I did it. It's only 10 o'clock. So I have good news and bad news. The good news is I just finished this case study project. The bad news is I have this much laundry to do. Oh my goodness. I can't. Just so you can see the severity of the issue I'm dealing with here. Oh my gosh, this is what being busy looks like. And when two people get behind on their laundry, plus a dog. I'm just gonna tackle this before I start my next assignment. Here's the progress. So that pile is gone, and I have folded all of this laundry. Those are on the floor because I'm going to wash the pillowcases because I washed the blankets, and then I can put all of this away, but we just got a grocery delivery, so I'm gonna handle that now. All right, so super quick grocery haul. I got a ton of strawberries and then some grapes to snack on this week, a bell pepper for tacos, and some basil because I think we're gonna make pizzas, and I didn't want this much basil, but I think I'll just try to make this into like pesto and put it into the freezer or something. I got some ground chicken, and then this is just chicken breast. And this is the pumpkin topping I was trying to find for my coffee video, but it just didn't come out yet. So I got that just for something fun. And then to go with that, I got these Nut Pods pumpkin spice creamers, which I already showed in my coffee video. These were on sale this week at Whole Foods, so I got those to stock up on for fall. I got a ginormous cucumber to snack on. I thought I got 2 of these, so I need to figure out where the other one is. That's just my coffee, by the way. Some white rice for Nick for meal preps. And then these, I got a whole bunch of these because they are absolutely delicious. They have low sugar. They have a little bit of protein in. It's just a really good dessert to have on hand when I don't have time to bake. When I have intense carb cravings, this is good because it's like a small amount and it works out great. I got a couple things of broccoli, some bananas, a kiwi. I got this to try with tacos. I'm trying to do a little bit less dairy just because I haven't been feeling the best eating dairy. So I got this, and then a lactose-free cream cheese for like a recipe I might try. Avocados. I got some Go-Go Squeeze, the apple cinnamon ones for when I'm in class and I don't want to touch a snack. I can just have these really fast with like a protein bar. I got more of my Zevias, a ton of cut green beans. I got some pizza sauce to go with. It's an ancient grain pizza dough. I just thought it was cool. But I got them to put in the freezer for when we want a pizza night. Some tomatoes for tacos. And I love these like vitamin waters. It's just something different other than water to drink. Everybody knows I love my little healthy oatmeal bites. Well, that was like open. That's not good. I got 2 of these garlic stuffed olives just for like a little snack. And then I got Nick these. I thought they'd be fun. They were just some like Halloween pretzels. They were like on sale too. So it's like perfect. So that is what we got this week. I forgot a couple things unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to go to Publix, which defeated the whole point of ordering this from Whole Foods, but whatever. Here is the evidence that Laundry Mountain is now gone. Everything is clean in here. I'm washing the pillowcases currently, and those stay on the couch, but I'm so proud. It literally took me like an hour. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe got something out of it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.